guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
This message is directed to Ajepkako, direct. On that way, I want pass through corner. You can't tell in a way when you may ye, menugi, imo when you menugi ye, imo. I may be biowani, ni menugi hiamu ewagbona. Irrespective of iriwe yari yu yanoa. There is a respect of one man value respect means you are you yanoe. Avako kume iko komaropa. I am not a boy to anybody. Mr. Ajepkako, you want to offend me right now. And I'm not going to take it funny with you. You know you unique boy as a chairman or as another brother no hime. Because you cannot outsmart everybody. Uhiaka we no sununa umaoe. Isaga no hiautona. Uhiaka umaoe. E domumu la diano guye onak podio. Audio ni ma apologize yine. I remember the last time I played audio. You called me to stop me not to play that audio again. Don Mumu was playing that audio this afternoon. Umate Don Mumu not stop. Ugo la video. Ugo guan. Ugo is saying the truth. You are telling Ugo to cut the live video. Nege guan gbedawani. Weni me ye. Omi me ya de. Kiari you know wa. Iyo. Ununika ya respect wani neni do ya yo ya no wani. When you can evita, he lack no one claim intelligence in your own. If you think I'm a fool, I am not a fool. Uladian, Ugo is still a member of that union right now. But Ake, shortest man in Bremen, Okinyati Asaga Udoniba. Ugo is still a member. Ugo came aside to say the truth. We magwa. But I get you when you when stop Ugo, not stop Ugo. Do not suspend the meeting now to Bomekba. Mamin, Imowa. When you are berimena, Imowa, I may be one in your moa, eh? Bagmona. I might be one. I might be Sagmona. Don't take my respect for stupidity. It's a short video. Don't take my respect for stupidity. We're going to call Ugo now to stop because Ugo is talking in my favor. But we don't move the same voice note there now. They to go tie about where Ajepkako de Odore will no guitar against you. You will not tell Ugo to stop that video. He has respect on. Respect, they say, is reciprocal. While begging the matter na his name, I always dodge your issue. You na few pegwe direct. Even at time about a video new, in a way, they can support your orphanage home. But that union is dead on arrival. Where you to stop him in the union. Since you were married me someone as your verse, may not to be made by the union, you cannot stop me not to go back to the union, to insult the union. Because before the union we were friends. After the union, we will still remain friends. That is based on you, how you want it. Why you go call go say me stop the video? Why? So, which means we better no sunu. We better even domugu. Woga akpe the same audio no ge. Yata wena mu we chemari. You derive pleasure when they are bringing me down. But when you beg, we go tell Martin Yahweh, a no give my the union. You are telling you go to stop. I am just controlling myself right now. In my own fee. But if you know now, I cannot bear it. Or you have a ladian. A do why why is one name why we more women? Domugu did the same video today in the afternoon. Ajepkako, you know, give my like you were, though damn you did not call Domomu to stop it where a matter is forgotten. You know, you do not tell that fool to stop it. But when he beg, we will go tell in my favor. When that time will go no stop. Odero. He like, oh man, you respect, oh man. We reciprocate the respect you go me. If you don't reciprocate my respect to me, there is no way I can respect you. What did you do? But we cook over there, neither me, me feed way. When you respect you, let that respect continue like that. While we only disrespect you, let me know. I will do it 1 minute. It's when I will log me. I mean, what power gonna be me saga. Except we win my move. You are playing a game of bias with me, and it might offend you in any way. I have always respected you as another brother, and I want that respect to continue. Because a domugu, which means yes, I put it to you now where where or my own matter stop. When I do have me with the Merino Yori. I am a very straightforward person. But what do I let quick not detect hey? You no money. We no money in every moment. My baby saga pan no saga medina. No women no gigbe. You are biased. I put it to you. You are biased. Ori sore no gina. E ugori teve no gina ma. When I call it no stop. But that you go at a way, e mine no gi way. No do dame yo. Where can man no stop? It's a short video. Anyhow you want to take it, take the video. But in my way, video not tear bone way. But you don't tell me where in no babana, it shows that you have been biased from the beginning. But even one, in the union having not enough. Ya weak power waiting me. You are a chairman me vest. Manare vani moi so igbe. But the union of having because it was under the influence of women, under the influence of one-sided personality. Or yave yakpa. Na do you na me we egiame emelewe meeting. When he respect you and allow die. You get where? Oma ro pa mu me. When he call you retire, I may be on any wagmona. No no. Many no gi. And you are here saga, I will make sure that you wrong me. Because when I was telling you that Oviakpo and the Dogo baby mama when I was your vice chairman, my bomb were looking one day. No more full stop in the live video. No time I Oviakpo no rebreme na egeligbewe. You know ba me ye directly go work and work there or you. Omumegbe. Imake wu. Iwa go ba. Ifiane. But I was still here watching you go. Who call you go? Time I no stop in the video. There will not time I no stop. Vatiame. Tian where metamo money no stop. On what tiame? On what the truth? On what me ya? When me ya sunwe. He's saying the truth. You are telling the person to stop. But on a guy where not down even you know guitar by you will not tell them to stop. If you know SNA and you know you know die when yari any. Meanwhile, social media president with Umeri large and total we support against you or need to support you. He go near Gbin. I like you, but we have a problem with your honest face and solve out. Me have a problem with you and then me marry was sorry. Because he said in why you offended me now, I'm not a member of that union anymore. I tell me men or man, we time of money not stop, but I hear that way. The way you know guitar about Ajepkako, you will listen, you will even record it and went to and go to your own live video to play it. Who is not a fool? You got respect of man. Eko beteni Monica ya zuare de nanya. Ege na aru yine ona afi wi here seti rovie. Ya so hane ni me ya la case e gbi mebo. Ya so aru your man on your phone. Ugo is saying the truth. When you matie domumu no we o ya povere live video ba. It's like you are not enjoying it. Don't you want we want to saga ime or ni me wa we saga we ba. Just declare the saga, let the saga begins. Eke na nado ale yo toto wana ya we mi na me malake. Iwa tama with the truth now. Because we offend over why we offend over. We go tiame. We go tame ma we e no ge ma pa environment no here. You tell you go to stop. But oga guy we if no get a plan against you as a chairman, what damn yo? What sure? You don't do that to me. You are not you are now oppressing me. And idiot born in anybody. Like Mona, when he made it, say no, you are oppressing me. If I respect you, does not mean that I'm afraid of you. Imagine my was a guy be. But what I wish now we want. You know, cast one. Direct why I go now. It can't tell away. More because you yourself not beg a woman where a speaker gui as a vessel where you do not have the only right to suspend me from that union. You dread the reason why I come out that minute to say I'm not a member again. Because you disrespected me. I've been a night chairman. No? What if I am your chairman and you are my vice? Will you stand up and say where you are suspending your chairman? But he might go because of where they don't move. Where the only part of the union. You go and respect one. If I give you respect, please give it to me back. Don't use a KMO to follow me to play. I want to do a KMO that way. Me do a KMO that one. You redirect. You don't tell to go to stop. Why? And then I can record with Nado down if ni matter yeke well. If my social media president we my chamari. Why did you tell Ake to stop? Who you they deceive? It's a short video. It's a short video. And I believe you way this video, you understand that. In a way, be say, man, you go to understand that. And you might only go beyond this. Because I go beyond this, it's a guy, you know. You don't play with my intelligence because of way maybe I dey call you Eda brother, eh? Remember Eda brother Imanibu? When you were Eda brother me, remember Imanibu? Call your baba, hello, Boron Pafo. Imalake no baba now. I don't like it. Ugopa no temata, you are shutting that guy's man not to speak. Now we don't so that na gogba woman him. You want to use your union to paint me black and blue. Then you are still the person of Tama when you know union. You know the union. I like now yakemi ado agbe me kweku ado ye na mewe ado agbe me kweku. It doesn't make sense. Oh, okay. Oh, you can't already live video with the audio. Why didn't you tell him to stop? Do I worry go by saga just declare it way you know get do aro ye it we by e gugwa ya me saga. Do I saga me do I tell me no get we o we tell me no get we is me we tu Ajepkako if do tell Ajepkako is a saga magbera wa it dey stop o bere ke na tia me we no stop it wa bere ke na that way no give him we need ya do down yo. My people, I love Unajari, una good night. I heard the thing vex me. I don't feel control them again. Because assuming that's what they do for the rest, since all this way. As we have to talk that they say, he want talk, he call and say, egg one kind of thing. Okay, I know quarrel, I know come and not talk. Not be say if you reach your turn, say, they say that they plan evil against you. You sit down, you go even there, they say you are hearing. But if you reach the time where they want to talk something good about me, you tell them make they stop. Why? Who go stop who? Oma stop who? He has already said it. He streamlined for you already. He downloaded the video already. Ake rela video. Osaga eme udoni. Umata men stop. Ubege or say that power there only because no, how you even not planning. Me omomo. Irrespective also the manner we buy from the beginning. Eton awe muwe. Eni me yiha. Irrespective we. Ogun gbo a princess favor awa bera wa bi you are. Princess Favor, awa bera wabi you are. Usungu. Don't see. You get the way I take day. Because this saga they look like sin and small thing, so it go result to something big. Although sorry about self. If I have ever planned anything against anybody in that union, very, very annoying something. Ugo is flowing. Man, join me. You went and caught it. Because it was not in your favor. To go tie away. The way no guitar against you. If it was to be you, when you give no guitar, will you tell that guy to cut that video? How long can you people cover up this truth? Abu will might respect you, say. Abu umare be me yina. Me yeve me na waju ha. Ita we anybody no man go agwan say saga na go collect. Call go and na why we reveal your name. The same thing you were doing to me. But at the end of the day, we may that may have suspended as your vice chairman. Imagine do go and any already or say na ladina we deba ni gele deba. But we wear that my ata many go union ibo. We guy chairman of union outside the union you are not my chairman. We feed the way. I'm not a woman patient. He said, if you not do money, someone and lose. Because I'll be patient in this very issue with you. Vive mwe mata na revede yoni. Ne domu mumu revede na mwe mana kole. Vive mwe mata na revede you still call me again and say we emi down o anuna TV we live video ya. Ita mi anya stop ni I go the union gwan. Who forgetting it? Abu me big meet me I be big shot him. Me myself we dey so I be big shot. Forget say it be no day. Nobody will bring a big come from heaven. Forget it be. I be big boy on my own. Let me block you since you delete your papa. You don't do those kind of snail, those regular level with me. When regular ekosuknya, imani dey. If you are my friend, be my friend. If you are my enemy, let me know. Even when a union member were in a video in Francomozo Yaro you were. What have you done? Dime no. Ugo said something just now where in nobody made time union way. Kamuyak nere iroyeme. Tamane iroyeme. You did not do anything about it. Imagine matter not do theory marry way. Or dame, but a man he might send you when he may a video may ban provoke you to the last thing, and I am ready to lose it any moment from now. It's a promise. You don't do that with me. Man, like me, let me know. I was a little bit not give my gun. I'm gonna wait till I like him and he will me go the move. Also that time me done move when not move any the amawe. You are not my God. Yes, I do, but we also not be me. Why it me? Mommy no fear me. As far you are not my God, you not be above me. You not be my mama. Eh, waiting. Why so no? Malaki, I don't malaki we I don't like it. I really make big over you. You don't do that with me. We are telling you go not film video. But tell me. Well, tell me, you are telling because Don Mumu don't call you. Don Mumu is ashamed of himself. Ugo don't expose him. And I call you when I get it. When I where no, let's call it spade a spade. Let's assume, say, for example, now, as we go your call live video, just go say, wayati pa Ajepkako. Do damn him no guitar. Let's call ourselves. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Will you tell him to stop? You will want to hear what Inogi have planned against you. What I mean what I mean with the Wayaka Muguno fear. Our audio ya ni action akbe. They were the first who started to play audio. Did you tell them to stop? No. I provoke him, eh? Ya respect on wagi respecting ni Allah wagbe. Why do you when your partner I are respecting you wagbe? All that way, my we are saga all that way. Because even ni matter no sunu no, but me marry care right now. Dos no sunu. Make kuwa me o. I love you all my people. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye for now and good night. If you don't see my boss in my no, we till reach our go reach our mouth. Anybody will talk our own good, he go talk our own good finish. Nobody will stop her for road. Why will you stop him to what thing on what the truth? On what the way the truth he say it without fear of favoritism. Thank you, Jerry. Igbo are patient in normal, but why are we waiting more? We life in us, nobody represented in Moai. But I respect. Me, I respect you for where I was working. But you got no money. I will get money. So guy me one day. Or it last for any moment to be we want. Also, all keep it friends. Also, now Momo they keep friends. Friends is not my problem right now. Money day. A record label union networking man. Maga yin and record label. Why you be for boss video? Many matter you were best is there now. I did dodge you. I ain't to my moment, but I was just respecting you. Let that respect continue. But to do man I need there, let me know. Me are you way or that. Or you me that way because you are older than me. Have that at the back of your mind. I can't wait so Agmona. I think I will you. Même quand on a yawo même no wegbe. Ugo temata ofia. They can am when you na nata when you get wrong. You know they because I got taken another when you get me down. Where stop? Who stop? So me relax. The yala de no tama we. Who get stop eh? But tell me normal, no ya stop eh. Guys, I love you all back. Guys, bye for now. Now, because even if we minimum now, man, you are telling no will be. Man, you tell me you regret. Why swimming ne? Me gaire. Why we no go away? I fought for my right. I fought for my right. What is my right? Don Momo arate even no ge ya bring you down do we stop eh. Okay, good and fine. Irian. O ma keke no we do stop over what yame. When get ma ugo yan gbe. Ugo ni emu wa. Deti mo ron kota. Ogi me wa gba lo wa. No me wa gba lo wa ami e. Okiwa elle ni re to de. Okiwa elle ni re to de. Guys, I love you all. My people, stay blessed and stay safe. Good night and sweet dreams.